In this video, I will show you how to plot a histogram chart. For this video, I'm going to use horsepower and the price. I made some changes here on the previous code. So I drop off the price and I drop off missing value from the column and I drop off the missing data from horsepower. To plot an histogram, I need to import one library. So I'm going to add the code right here, import matplotlib the py as plt, and from matplotlib import pyplot. You can write the code here or you can write it on the top, doesn't matter. Next, I'm going to write a code to use histogram to show horsepower and price and label X and label Y and give a title. Pyplot dot figure 1. Pyplot dot hist df. We're going to use horsepower. Pyplot dot x label. We're going to label X horsepower. For Y label, we're going to use count. And then title, we're going to add title for this histogram. Figure 1, histogram of horsepower. And then we're going to show the histogram. Now you're ready to display or show the histogram. Run the code by Control B. I'm going to bring the histogram right here. So this is the histogram of a horsepower. Horsepower on the x-axis, count on the y-axis, and this is the title, and this is the frequency. Next video, I will show you binning.